My name is Dan Wade. I'm a VP for Strategy and Commercialization at Hilti North America, and I sit on our executive management team. I'm responsible for rental retail and then specialty types of construction, everything from Diamond Pro contractors into the data center and healthcare industry. What drives us most is our purpose. As part of our new strategy, we talk about making construction better. And so for all of us, the heart of what we do is all geared towards that one purpose. We really do everything to make construction better. For us, that really means that we want to be the best partner for our customers. And we focus on three key areas. One is productivity, the second is safety, and the third is sustainability. And when we can support our customers across those three areas, we make their jobs, their lives, their businesses better. I think all of our customers, regardless of size, are trying to figure out ways to be more productive, how they can be more digital, how they can streamline processes in the office, in the field, understanding where their stuff is, but also tying into a network that really includes everything, not just Hilti equipment as an example with what we have with OnTrack. I think the Trackunit partnership allows us to expand well beyond our own offering and really create a connected ecosystem for our customers. You know, when we moved into Bluetooth tags, I think our customers were excited, but maybe a little worried of the change. It seems like everything now has some sort of tracking or asset management type of system and hardware to it. Ultimately, I think for us, when we established the partnership and support and build this BLE network, it's allowed people to be faster with what they do, whether it's finding something, they're more efficient in their communication, they're able to understand where all equipment is, which makes them get their job done faster. And it sounds really simple, but that's ultimately what I think we were able to establish with the network. Data can play a lot of roles in our industry. Might be hard to adopt sometimes, and the change management required to take in so much information on our job sites might be tough, but I mean, ultimately, we have technology in place that allows our customers to find better ways of working. Maybe it makes them safer, maybe it makes them more productive. It's not by chance that they find better ways to do things. They're going to need some sort of technology to allow them to understand what's happening, analyze the information, access the data, and then frankly make a data-informed decision. And like I said, that should help them be more safe, more productive, and we also hope that data informs them on ways to be more sustainable. I think connected tools are now not just a thing of the past, but they're here with our Neuron offering. When you couple Bluetooth and OnTrack with our Trackunit partnership, it really does create a pretty compelling solution. We spent the first part of our strategic period really focused on productivity. Productivity in the office, productivity on the job site, making sure that they're connected. 2025, we continue on productivity, but we really focus on safety. Being the best partner for safety means it's not only comes in the safety and innovation from tools, but safety for the end user, safety for the occupants and the buildings that were built. Safety for us has always been key, but now we take another view of it in 2025. We really want to make that a standard and again, be that best partner for our customer. Ultimately for us, you know, the platform will continue to expand. The hardware that we use to track assets of a variety of sizes, getting into geo-tags as a new offering for us in 2025. Customers have a lot of different options. They're gonna come to us and they're gonna expect ways to track different pieces of equipment. And so we're gonna listen to them and follow their lead on what they think is needed to, as I said, make construction better.